Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. Today, we have a special extended episode. We're going to talk about the most common English mistakes that learners make every day. Some of these mistakes may seem small, but they can make a big difference in how natural and fluent your English sounds. Don't worry if you've made these mistakes before. In fact, almost every English learner makes them. The purpose of today's lesson is not to criticize mistakes. It's to learn from them. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's improve your English together. Mistake number 1, translating word for word. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is translating directly from their native language. For example, open the TV. Many learners say this because they translate directly. Native speakers say, turn on the TV. Another example, close the light. Correct. Turn off the light. English has its own expressions. Direct translation often creates unnatural sentences. Practice. Turn on the fan. Turn off the fan. Turn on the computer. Turn off the computer. Mistake number 2, using present tense incorrectly. Many learners say, yesterday I go to school. Correct. Yesterday I went to school. Remember, if the action happened in the past, use the past tense. Examples. Today I eat lunch. Yesterday I ate lunch. Today I see my friend Exet. Yesterday I saw my friend. Practice these aloud. Mistake number 3, forgetting articles. Many learners forget a, and the. I bought our. Correct. I bought a car. Sun is hot. Correct. The sun is hot. Articles are small words, but they are extremely important. Mistake number 4, using very too much. Many learners say very big, very small, very good, very bad. Instead, learn stronger words. Very big gives huge. Very small gives tiny. Very good gives excellent. Very bad gives terrible. This will instantly improve your vocabulary. Mistake number 5, confusing since and for. Many learners mix these words. Use for a period of time. Example, I have lived here for 5 years. Use since for a starting point. Example, I've lived here since 2020. Practice. For 2 hours. For 10 days. Since Monday. Since January. Mistake number 6, saying people is incorrect. People is happy. Correct. People are happy. People are excited. People are waiting. Always remember, people equals plural. Mistake number 7, using the wrong prepositions. Many learners struggle with prepositions. Examples, interested in, interested on, good at, good in, arrive at the station, arrive in London. These small words matter. Try to learn them as complete phrases. Mistake number 8, pronunciation errors. Let's practice some difficult words. Wednesday. Correct pronunciation. Wednesday. Comfortable. Comfortable. Vegetable. Vegetable. Interesting. In-trest-ing. Repeat these words several times. Mistake number 9, using informal English everywhere. Many learners learn English from social media. Sometimes they use slang in formal situations. Example, what's up, boss? During a job interview. Better. Good morning. How are you today? Always choose language according to the situation. Mistake number 10, SARE of speaking. This isn't a grammar mistake. It's a mindset mistake. Many learners know English, but they don't speak because they fear mistakes. Remember, you don't learn English by staying silent. You learn English by speaking. Speak every day, even if it's only for 5 minutes. Listening practice section. Listen and repeat. I agree with you. She doesn't understand. People are friendly. I'm 25 years old. The weather is beautiful today. I went to school yesterday. I've lived here for 5 years. I've worked here since 2022. Can you help me? I'd like a cup of coffee. Excellent. Now repeat them again. Daily conversation practice. Conversation 1. A, how are you today? B. I'm doing great, thank you. What did you do yesterday? B. I visited my grandparents. A. Did you have a good time? B. Yes, it was wonderful. Conversation 2. A. How long have you studied English? B. I've studied English for 3 years. A. Since when? B. Since 2023. A. That's impressive. B. Thank you. Conversation 3. A. What are your future goals? B. I want to speak English fluently. DSL.RUM Preving. B. I listen to podcasts every day. A. Great strategy. Advanced speaking tips. Tip 1. Think in English. Tip 2. Listen to native speakers daily. Tip 3. Record your voice. Tip 4. Read English aloud. Tip 5. Learn complete phrases. Tip 6. Practice shadowing. Tip 7. Speak even when you're nervous. Tip 8. Stay consistent. 7-day challenge. Day 1. Speak for 1 minute. Day 2. Learn 5 new words. Day 3. Watch an English video. Day 4. Record yourself speaking. Day 5. Read an English article. Day 6. Have a conversation in English. Day 7. Review everything you learned. Complete this challenge and you'll notice improvement immediately. Final message. Congratulations! You've just completed this extended English learning podcast. Today, we covered grammar mistakes, vocabulary mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, speaking mistakes, and practical solutions. Remember, mistakes are proof that you're learning. Every fluent English speaker once struggled with the same challenges. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I'll see you in the next episode of the English Learning Podcast. Take care, stay motivated, and keep improving your English every single day. Goodbye, everyone.